Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live. So we do a show every week on with Prestige, and it's always custom homes, but maybe you have a home, you just want to dress it up a little bit.
Yeah.
A lot of these homes were built in 2009, 2010, 11, 12. Man, they're ready for a sprucing. You know, appliances have changed. Maybe they don't have that touch faucet like I'm so fascinated by.
They've got the, everything
The lighting.
it was beige, what I mean? Like everything was darker and now everything's lighter. We kind of go, whenever it comes to homes, they kind of go in stages. I worked at...
Remember the drab green back when I was growing up, everything was gold and green and shag.
My grandmother had some green carpet. But, I got told this probably 15, 18 years ago. I was working at a door molding company in Nederland, and, gold was going out. Well, guess what? Gold's back in. Then it was silver, and then it was bronze, and then it was black, and then silver came back, and now gold's back. And it's just trends. I mean, it goes full circle like that. But right now, it's not beige. I haven't painted a house beige in, I don't know, like probably 7, 8 years now. So I will say that beige is out. So whenever we're going and looking at these remodels, and we've been looking at a ton of them.
And that's what we're talking about today is remodeling.
Remodels. But we're going and looking at these projects, and you're right. They're just post-Ike houses, and they're just... they got them put back together. They probably were just wanting to get their house back down here so they could get back down here and enjoy Crystal Beach. And I can 100% understand that. But they didn't think through a lot of the functionality parts of it because they were going back from their 2-bedroom
fishing cabin,
fish camp to a 3-bedroom or even sometimes a 2-bedroom, 2-bath house.
Right.
And the layouts may not have been done correctly. The materials used are definitely not the same materials that we use now. And it just needs some TLC. And we're seeing quite a few of these. We've got probably 7 or 8 remodels that we're working through the process right now. Actually just got finished with a bid on one last night over in the Biscayne. And, some of them are big projects. Some of them are big projects,
moving walls
3,000 square foot, adding to, moving walls, ripping out all the bathrooms. And then some of them are just, hey, we want to do some fresh paint. We want to get some built-in beds. We want to get some new flooring, or just some, some new cabinet doors or something like that. We just want to freshen up. And it doesn't have to be the extensive project for us to be in tune to it. We finished one over off Stingery Road just a couple of weeks ago where it was repaint the house, redo the showers, and put some new light fixtures in. That's fine. That's still right up our alley.
And light fixtures can change the whole look of a house, outside and inside.
When I say this house was beige, it had warm colored lighting. It had dark colored globes around all the fixtures. The showers were a dark tile. We went back with white tile. We went back with white paint. We went back with fluorescent lights or white lights. The house took a total 180. We didn't touch the cabinets. We didn't touch the trim work. We didn't touch the bedding. We didn't touch the countertops. We didn't touch the appliances. But when you walk in that house now, it feels like a new house. It smells like a new house. And it feels so much larger now.
Updated.
Because it's open air, it's bright now instead of closed in and dark. And that's what we're talking about when we talk about these remodels. It doesn't have to be something extravagant. We had a customer call us the other day. They're not going to be ready to go until after rental season. This is the perfect time to get everything ready, going because we need those months in between, let's just call it October, November to February to get you ready for springtime.
Right.
Don't call me in springtime and expect for me to come out there and do it around everybody's rental schedule. It doesn't work that way. So right now is the perfect time to call, find out what we can do for you, what it's going to look like, what it's going to cost, and then let's get it on schedule for the end of the year so that whenever the end of the year comes, we're ready to go. You know how much
you know
money
your
need.
Paint, you know your tile, what fixtures you need, you order them.
Yep.
And when you start on the 1st, you order it on the 15th of the month before, and you're good to go.
Well,
and you can knock it out quicker.
And it goes quicker. And then we can go into the show we just did talking about our design team can come in there and help you pick all those things out because most people don't know what they don't know.
Right.
They're not a designer, just like I'm not. They don't have the eye for color, or they
Right.
think they do. If they did, it wouldn't be beige in 2026. It would be a lighter color, so things feel more open.
Great, great. Well, Prestige has really done a lot. Actually, it kicked off probably about Burl when you really got into
We did a couple of
remodeling.
shows a couple of years ago, and you know, we had
On
people
remodel.
call, and it was. But after Burl, people started finding out about their subfloors and
Mm-hmm.
the houses that weren't built correctly, or they had wind-blown rain damage and all these type of things. You start pulling things back, and you start seeing like these houses that were built years ago, whenever there wasn't spray foam insulation,
Right.
or that nobody was using spray foam insulation. You know, they had
It's
bad
a whole
insulation,
different-
and it opens up a whole can of worms. But we go in there, we're honest with you, everything's straightforward. You see the bid line item by line item. I don't hide anything from you. You know, we talk about all the time. We come on this show because we want people to know who we are, what we do, and that we're not going to disappear. We've got the
Right.
billboard of my family out here in the middle of town. We do this show every single week. People want to know where we are. You can find us every day
But
of
if
the week
he's
right here on
gone
the
for a
Peninsula.
week, he hadn't fled town. He's
No.
just doing something else. So, well, like I always say, make sure you check out their website. And if you're going to start the process, make sure you go to their website, prestigecustombuilders.net. Fill out the form. Allison will be the first form of contact, and you can get the ball rolling. Even if it's November or December or January when you want to start the process now so that you can get it on the books and you don't lose any downtime for your vacation rentals,
Yeah.
because a lot of homes down here are rentals, or families want to use them from March until August. And so you can get it done outside the primary time down here. So Landon, thanks for joining us today. We'll be back next week with another show with Prestige Custom Builders. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye. Thank you to these 2026 video equipment sponsors. Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87. Beachy Beatnik Boutique, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87. And Latitude 29 Surf Shop, located at 1400 Highway 87. Thank you to these area businesses for being our 2026 video equipment sponsors for Bolivar Live.